Hello boys and girls. Today I would like to read Sea Shapes. Sea Shapes by Seuss McDonald. Let's see what kind of shapes we see in the ocean. Sea shapes. Let's find the shapes in the ocean. The first shape is a star. A star. Here's a picture of a star. A star has 5 points. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are 2 stars. Here are 3 stars. And out of those 3 stars, it looked like the illustrator made a, you know the name of this ocean animal? Good. It's a starfish. Very good. It's a starfish. It has 5 points. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. I see another starfish here and there. So all together, this is our next shape. Our next shape is a circle. Good. A circle goes round and round and round. And let's see what the illustrator made out of this circle. You see a little green circle in the purple. It's going in that little circle. And if you look over here, that circle is an eye and a whale. And a whale lives in the ocean. Circle. So our next shape is a semicircle. A semicircle is a half of a circle. That's a semicircle right here. And let's see what the illustrator in this book is going to make from this semicircle. Look like he put a few little legs right here on these 2, and he put a few more legs. And if you look over here, do you know the name of this sea animal? Very good. It is a jellyfish. It is a jellyfish. And what the illustrator did, he made a semicircle at the top of the jellyfish, and the top of the jellyfish is called a bell. Semicircle. Our next shape is a square. Let's look at this brown square. It has 4 sides and 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what the illustrator is going to make out of this square. Put 2 dots for an eye, a little tail. And he made a, look over here. Let's look at this picture. This is a ray. Can you say ray? Rays live in the ocean. And if you look beside the ray, you'll see another ocean animal. Do you know the name of that ocean animal? Good. It's a seahorse. Very good. It is heart. Here's a picture of a heart right here. Let's see what our illustrator is going to make out of a heart that lives in the ocean. 2 little hearts here. We have a few hearts here. Look like he attached the tail to them. And look, he made fish out of a heart. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look again, and 6. If you look one more time, you'll see another starfish. Let's look at our next shape. Our next shape is a triangle. Here's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 points. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what the illustrator is going to make out of a triangle. Let's look closely. Here are 2. Here are 3 little triangles. 3 little triangles. Look like it's inside of a mouth. And it is inside of a mouth. It made teeth inside of a mouth. And that is a shark. Very good. It's a shark. And those are his sharp teeth that they made using triangles. All right, let's go to our next shape. This shape is called a spiral. Can you say spiral? A spiral goes round and round and round and round. Let's see what the illustrator in this book made out of a spiral. Let's see. There he is. There it is. Like he put a little circle in front of the spiral. And if you look over here, he made a It's a snail. And on top of the snail is a shell. And the shell is made out of a spiral. It's made out of a spiral. And I see about 4 different snails in this picture. And that shape is called a spiral. Our next shape is a fan. It's a fan. Let's look at the shape of a fan. 2 lines and then a round top. That's a fan. And let's see what the illustrator made out of the fan for the ocean. Let me see here. 3 little fans, and there are a few more fans, and there it is. It's a fan coral. These are called fan corals, and they live in the ocean. And look at them, really, really good. They look just like fans. Fan corals. Let's look at our next shape. That shape is an oval. An oval. It looks a little bit like a circle, but it's longer. It's an oval. Let's see what the illustrator made out of an oval. Like you put like 3 little legs here, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 legs here, and 2 little circles for eyes. And if you look over there, do you know the name of that sea animal? Very. All right. Our next shape is an oval. Here's an oval right here. An oval looks a lot like a circle, except for it's a little longer than a circle. And let's see what the illustrator made from an oval. Let me see. Look like he put 3 little legs right here, and over on this side, it looked like he put 2 little circles on it. Look like eyes, and he put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs on this oval. And if you look over here, you'll see what he created. What did he make? What ocean animal is that? Very good. That is an octopus. That is an octopus. Let's go to our next shape. Our next shape is a diamond. A diamond has 4 sides and 4 points. Let's look at the diamond. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the other pictures. Let's see what the illustrator is going to make with the shape diamond. So you got a few little dots. Like we made a mouth and some eyes with a little circle and some lines. Yeah, it looks like a fish, doesn't it? And there's the fish. And that fish, he's called a catfish. He looks like a cat, like he has whiskers on him. He's a catfish. And if you look at his scales, really, really good. His scales are made out of diamonds. That shape is called a diamond. Our next shape is a crescent. Here's the shape crescent right here. It looks like the letter C a little bit. A crescent. Let's see what the illustrator is going to make out of the crescent. Look like 2 little heads or 2 little fins here. And look like the 2 little tail and the fins are jumping out the water. And if you look over here, he made dolphins out of a crescent. So there's a crescent here looking like a C. And here are the dolphins. They're going in and out the waves. In and out the waves. There are 3 dolphins. And that shape is a crescent. Our last shape is a hexagon. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 points. Let's count the hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's a hexagon. Let's see what the illustrator made using a hexagon. Here are like 5 hexagons. Here are a lot of hexagons here. Look over on this page. Do you see a sea animal with hexagons on them? I do. We see a turtle. A turtle. He has hexagons on his shell. Let's count the hexagons they put on his shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hexagons on this turtle shell. That shape is a hexagon. It's a hexagon. Let's look at the sea animals that we saw today. We saw a starfish, a whale, a jellyfish, a skate or a ray, a butterfly fish, a great white shark, a shark's eye snail, a sea fan, an octopus, a catfish, a dolphin, and we also saw a sea turtle. The end. Sea shapes.